Hey everyone, my name is Hariram Sankaran. I'm a technical product marketing manager here at HashiCorp. And today we're going to look at Audit log streaming from HashiCorp Cloud Platform. HashiCorp is the infrastructure cloud company. We have several projects and products that many of you, the community, and our customers are familiar with. And we specifically help with the infrastructure lifecycle management and the security lifecycle management tied to that infrastructure in the entirety of your application chain. So we have many products that speak directly to those many solutions that help our customers with. The HashiCorp Cloud Platform specifically is a single unified place to look at all of those solutions and manage them as well. So you can look at active resources, you can look at the state of all of those, etc. Specifically, customers are also very interested in managing or having a single unified place to managing things like billing, audit logging, etc. So also RBAC, things like that. So HashiCorp Cloud Platform becomes very critical to do all of that. And we're going to look today at how audit log streaming can be done from the platform. Just to touch on some important points on why the platform is even more important. It provides that single unified place for all of these services where you can take advantage of cross-product solutions, but also it's managed by HashiCorp. And so you get faster onboarding, lower TCO. You can take advantage of new features really quickly, and many other features that go along with it. So today we'll look at audit log streaming specifically. And here you can see I've already set up my audit log streaming functionalities. Specifically, why this is important to our customers is any serious enterprise that has a technology stack and platform, they really want to know what's going on that stack and what's going on and who's doing what, etc. So they want a centralized place like CloudWatch, Splunk, or any other SIEM provider where they want to send everything, all the activities that's happening in that stack, and they want to be able to go in and take a look to see what's happening and then analyze all of this and then do things like anomaly detection and basically protect their entire surface area for their technology stack, right? So that's very important to do that. And so HashiCorp Cloud Platform now helps our customers managing their various infrastructure and security life management solutions from HashiCorp from a single place. Now you can stream all the activities that's happening in those services to a single place like CloudWatch in this example, and you can do an analysis on it and figure out what's going on. This really helps you meet security compliance needs and also basically manage any risk that comes with it, and also cut down costs that comes with it as well. So you've already seen here that I have audit log streaming set up. Let's go see how I actually set it up. It's fairly simple. You can actually do it in the UI as well, but I'm going to show you how you can do that with Terraform code. So we have this new resource called HCP log streaming destination, and that is a resource you can now take advantage of to set up your audit log streaming information. Obviously, you want to make sure that HCP, the platform, is able to work in your AWS environment in this example to set all this up. And then you need to provide an external ID that makes sense to your environment, pick the region, and it's going to need some IAM resources. So you're going to set up a role and a policy tied to it. You're going to make sure that role has access to that external ID, and then it's going to have these actions tied to it so that it can describe these, create these logs, and put that into your AWS account. So once you create, this code will help you create that IAM roles and policies, and then you can leverage that in this resource and get up and running. Fairly simple. That's how you would set up HCP audit log streaming with Terraform. I mentioned you can do this in UI as well, so you can just go ahead and choose AWS or Datadog or Splunk out, other 3 SIEM providers currently supported. Okay, so now let's actually go ahead and do some activities on the platform. Like the platform does allow you to stream audit logs for the platform activities like logging in, etc., or also doing some product service level activities as well. So I'm actually going to go into my project and going to choose boundary, and then we'll spin up a new boundary cluster and then see what happens. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so now you're seeing that the boundary cluster is being created, and we'll go into our CloudWatch, make sure we're getting all the latest, and you saw a new one just come in because I created it, and you can see that this is actually directly coming from my HCP platform, from that specific project where I just deployed a boundary cluster. And you can see this is actually tied to the HCP product boundary, and we actually created a new cluster. And if you let that run, and you will see that there'll be your CloudWatch instance will continue to receive new timestamped audit logs for the various activities that happen on that boundary cluster from HashiCorp Cloud Platform. So hopefully this is a good walkthrough of how to set up audit log streaming, why it's important, and how HashiCorp Cloud Platform overall helps our customers. Just to recap, you can see everything you've set up in your UI. You can also create this via UI, or you can create these using the Terraform provider that we walked through this example on this video. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to look up our documents or reach out to any HashiCorp employee, and we'll be happy to help you.